The concept of technological singularity, first proposed by mathematician John von Neumann in the 1950s, refers to the hypothetical point in the future when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, leading to a rapid acceleration in technological progress. Ray Kurzweil famously predicted that this singularity could occur as early as the year 2045. However, many experts believe that it could happen sooner than that, even as soon as 2030. In this video, we will explore 5 reasons why technological singularity will happen sooner than 2045. 1. The rapid pace of technological advancements. The rate of technological advancement has been increasing at an exponential rate in recent years. In the field of AI, for example, we have seen rapid advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. These advancements have led to the development of AI systems that can perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, such as creating art. As technology continues to advance at this rapid pace, it is likely that we will reach the singularity sooner than 2045. 2. The increasing amount of data available. One of the key drivers of technological advancements in AI is the availability of data. With the explosion of data generated by social media, the Internet of Things, and other sources, the amount of data available for training AI systems has grown exponentially. This large amount of data enables AI systems to learn faster and become more accurate, which could accelerate the development of AI that surpasses human intelligence. 3. The increasing investment in AI research and development. Governments, companies, and private individuals are investing large amounts of money in AI research and development. This increased investment is leading to the development of more advanced AI systems and the hiring of more AI researchers and engineers. This increased investment could accelerate the development of AI that surpasses human intelligence, bringing us closer to the singularity. 4. The increasing collaboration between academia and industry. In recent years, there has been a growing collaboration between academia and industry in the field of AI. This collaboration is leading to the development of more advanced AI systems, as well as the training of more AI researchers and engineers. 5. The potential for breakthroughs in AI. While we have seen rapid advancements in AI in recent years, it is possible that there could be breakthroughs in the near future that would significantly accelerate the development of AI. For example, the development of a new type of AI architecture, or the discovery of new algorithms that enable AI systems to learn faster and more accurately. These breakthroughs could bring us closer to the singularity, sooner than 2045. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.